Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize small business tax credits search in NerdWallet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing small business tax credits on NerdWallet, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the search bar to activate it. Type small business tax credits into the search bar. Press enter to see the search results. From the results page, find the relevant article or guide that discusses small business tax credits. Click on the article title to open it. Once the article opens, scroll down to find any tools or resources related to tax credits. Look for a section that specifically mentions tax credit eligibility or similar phrases. Click on any links provided to access the tax credit information. To authorize your search, look for a button that says Get Started or Check Eligibility. Click on that button to proceed. You may be prompted to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Follow the instructions to complete the login or registration process. Once logged in, provide the necessary information about your business as requested. This information may include your business name, type, and location. Review the tax credits available based on your business profile. Take note of any specific requirements needed to qualify for those credits. If there are specific applications or forms required, ensure you download or note them. Return to the original article for any additional guidance on the application process. Follow the steps outlined in the article for submitting applications. After completing your application, you may receive a confirmation email or message. Keep track of your application status through the NerdWallet platform as instructed. Once you receive approval, ensure you keep all documentation for your records. This will help you with any future tax filings or inquiries. Congratulations, you've now authorized your small business tax credits search in NerdWallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.